Going North fam. Today I'm bringing another tutorial for your YouTube videos. Okay, today we're gonna learn how we can do an end screen in less than 3 minutes. Super fast, super quick. So make sure to subscribe to see more tutorial like this, and make sure to subscribe to my gaming channel to see more gaming content. Okay, have a good one, guys. Take care. How's it going, YouTube? So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys how you can do the end screen. So you gotta go to your video. That's the first step. You're gonna go to your video, and at the end of the video I want you guys to add 20 seconds or something. It can be a picture, it can be another video, it can be letters, a title, whatever you guys want. This is the first thing that you have to do here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I have my image here, which is my banner from my YouTube. Gonna be able to see that image right there. Okay, so I already put a song just to make it more entertaining and just for you guys to enjoy the vibes. Okay, so we're gonna go there, and I already put like a transition so it looks better, but that's fine. You guys don't have to do that. That's something extra of me. So yeah, we select the title. You can see that it's 20 seconds. So what are we gonna do now? You're gonna go where your video is, then you select your video, you upload it to YouTube, and you can select your description, your title, everything. You just select that. That's not where we want to what I want to show you, so I'm gonna go next fast as possible. So we go fast, and then this is what I like: import from video. You guys have to select the minutes where the image starts. So you guys do that. Just select the minutes. You guys gonna see here. Let me do it really quick. Okay, let me see. Let me go here. Okay, so I'm trying just to figure out if I can do that without changing the minutes, but I think I'm gonna have to anyways. So I'm gonna change the minutes, and then you guys gonna see how it lines perfectly. I think I need to change some couple minutes more. Okay, there you go. That's easier. You select that. Okay, so you're gonna go until you see that picture right there. It's gonna be right here. Okay, so you could leave it like that. Then you select. I always choose 2 videos, the most important videos that I see. Okay, so I'm gonna select those 2 videos. There you go. Yeah, this one first, and then this another one. There you go. You're gonna save that right on top left, right, and then you're gonna go next, and that's it. You already have everything figured out, guys. I hope you enjoy. I know this is fast, but that's what the channel is for.